Happy birthday, Jay Morel. Yun, sorry kung hindi ako makakapunta, but I will try later. If, kung, if di kami matuloy mamaya. Anyway, wish ko sa birthday mo ngayon, good health and study hard. Tumatanda ka na, dagdagan na naman ang edad mo. And, as you can see, bagong gising. But anyway, yun. Lagi kang mabait and stay sweet. And happy birthday ulit. Ingat ka palagi. Mahal na mahal ka namin, even though na kailan lang tayo naging close. Yun. Baba. Yun, thank you. Thank you. Yun, and happy birthday. Ingat palagi. Ciao.